Hey everybody, Trisha with Mappy Magic. It's the holiday season and we are back at the Disney store. Let's go in and check out what kind of deals we can find. Let's check out what kind of holiday merchandise they have too. Come on, let's go.
What do they have here? Socks?
So we got some booties.
Underwear?
No, pajamas, different kinds of pajamas, flannel ones. There's some dresses for the little girls, and then some pants and top sets.
Mugs.
Holiday mugs. We got giant holiday Mickey ornament. It's $80, but 40% off.
That's a bit much. What's that thing up there?
What?
Is that a light?
This one?
Yes.
We got the bubble wand.
Oh.
Let's see what else. Oh, we got the little kids' spear jerseys,
That's so cute.
like candy canes.
Snow White is missing an eye.
That's Cinderella.
Oh, Cinderella is missing an eye. But they're beautiful ornaments. So that's the blankets?
Yeah. Plaid throw. Look at that, it's cute.
Oh, cool. How much is that?
$69.99, 40% off.
Okay.
Look at these cute infant clothes. Got this little one for the girls. Got one for the boys. So cute.
You have an announcement? Just kidding.
I do not. Little one. Got a little hat. Little cups.
What are those? Eggnog?
Set of 4 cups.
Is it a tree skirt?
Yeah, check out these tree skirts. The tree skirt is reversible. This is one side. This is the other side.
Oh, it's the same one.
See?
I see.
Let's check out the clearance section. Got some lights, figures.
This is from the park here, the ride, the Rise of the Resistance. That's the... Can't remember his name.
We've got some fun jewelry. Elsa's. Ariel.
You're gonna knock everything down?
Got some cool Star Wars plates.
They're still real expensive.
Yeah. And then they have some salt and pepper shakers too. Look at this. Look at this Mickey wreath.
Oh, that's cool. How much is that?
This one says, oh, there's 2. This one's 75.
40% off?
Yes. And then I think this one is 65.
What are those, candy?
They're little macaroon, Mickey macaroons.
They're real? You can eat them?
No, keychain.
Oh, okay. This is a product from France.
Look at these new bags. These are cute.
That one's pretty. I like that one.
It's like a name tag.
Name tag there. And there's a big size, larger size, and a mini size.
That is cool.
Wait, look at this one.
And we got Fantasia.
Look, it's got Belle on there. Look how pretty. This is pins.
Incredibles. A little big. At $10.
That's nice.
Yeah, it is nice. And if you want to go up,
Oh.
$10.98. Feels good too. It's It's light. Good for Texas. Another shoulder thing. It's hard to do with the thing on there.
Doesn't he do something?
Oh, there he goes. Yeah, cool.
Look. Look at this lounge fly. This one is so cute. It is $100.
Hi, I found this in the Disney store, and it's really small, so let's see how much it is. The price of the dress is $7.99.
That's it? Okay. I wonder if it's on sale. It's the snake from what movie?
Zootopia 2.
Zootopia 2.
Happy holidays!
Thanks for watching this year. We hope you join us next year so we can see what other good deals and things we can find at the Disney store.